Alrighty, good morning once again, ladies and gentlemen. We are back in the demo. We're back in the demo. We're back in the market. We're back in demo, and I just realized that I am on big NQ and not little NQ, so let's fix that real quick. There we go, much better. Let's remove these drawings here, and let's get back to it. What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Hope we're all doing swell. Hope we're all well rested and ready to continue the journey. I hope I have nobody from England with my absolutely terrible English accent. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Do I have anybody here? Is this thing on? Bueller. How's everybody doing? Make sure that my mic settings are good. I'm pretty sure they are. Probably. Yep. We are coming in live. What I could do is this shit's a little loud in my ear, so I could turn this down just a smidge. Yeah, a little loud in my ear right there. A little tad bit loud right there. Yeah, we can turn that up right there. All right, cool. Okay, so do we have our opening range? We do now. First 15 minutes. Here's our high. Here's our low. All right, let's see what we got here, guys. Let's see what we got. So I'd like to mark up the orb. 15-minute orb. And it's looking like we got like a little 15-minute engulfing pattern. But I think today seems like it's going to be a lot like yesterday, just waiting for something to happen here. And I think we're kind of consolidating here on our higher time frame. Higher time frame kind of says that we should be looking for shorts. Thanks to the SMAs, that's what my first thought says. But we're in the area where we could just bounce and blast off from here. So we're gonna cool it, play it cool, play it nice and simply. Look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is kind of bullish. Wow, look at that. Look at my 15-minute. 15-minute kind of says bearishment. So we're a little confused this morning. We're a little confused. We're looking just as ugly as we did at yesterday's open. So kind of just want to relax for a second. Kind of feel the market out per usual. Do we have any important news that's about to happen? We have 10 a.m. news. Yeah, Richard Manufacturing, 2 orange folders. So we might be in a holding pattern until then. Getting close below this 15-minute here. So we'll see. And let's look at my lower time frame. 1 minute looks very identical to yesterday. So looks very identical to yesterday. Here's that first presented fair value gap nonsense that got, I guess now it's inverted. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm not subscribing to it. But yeah, we're gonna wait. I don't know what's going on right now. So let's look at the 5 and let's see if we can find some direction. I mean, off bucks, I'm thinking shorts. Off bucks, but there's a lot of proven ground here. A lot that needs to be proven for me to think or continue to think that. So we're just chilling. We're just gonna be chilling for right now. Still haven't activated this funded account. I'll do so when I'm good and goddamn ready. But for now, we're cooling. We're probably getting 1 minute closures below on that orb right there. If we had anything to go short, I mean, what you could do, if this closes like this, you could see the first 5 minutes kind of press on downwards here. Let's say we want to keep on continuing down there. It doesn't really seem like, I mean, it seems a little rangy in my opinion. But let's see how this 5 minute closes in another minute and a half or so. I do like we're getting closers outside of this the 15-minute range. But also the problem is that we're also kind of we're cascading down already. We're taking targets. This is a huge candle right here. And we still got a minute left in it. So I don't even know where you would even try to structure a short right here. We're so low. Yeah, we are incredibly low. And the last thing, I can't do something like this, right? So let's say you get an entry like right here. Stops have to be all the way up here. That's just way too much. Yeah, that's way too much for me. Just to even think about a 1 to 2. We have news at 10 a.m. So it's kind of rough. It's kind of rough. So let's see what we're gonna do here, guys. Do here. One, two, three. Maybe if we could come up to somewhere right here or somewhere right here. I'm trying to think about shorts. It's going to take a lot though, but that is a pretty strong bearish engulfing. I just don't know what it wants to do from right here, so let's see. Yeah, we need this to pop up a little bit. Thinking about taking this short here, guys. Thinking about taking this short. A little early in the day, but sometimes those things work. I'm sorry, I want to go with my Fibonacci tool. All right, we're really coming up now. Looks like 5 minutes about to engulf.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that short right there. 3 micros. Stops at the high right here. And it looks like that we're coming forward very quickly. May have got faked out right there. Safer stop will be at this high right here, but I kind of like where it's at right now. Looking for a reason to add, but not getting it so far. And so here's your 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 2. Here's your 3. Kind of like that.
Order filled.
4. If we get a 5, if we get it. All right, guys, so I'm in those shorts. In demo, of course. Another day in demo. Another demo day. Entry is looking pretty solid if you want to continue downwards. Came up pretty strong from that level right there. And I'm hoping that in the next minute or so that we want to keep on continuing down here. Usually I like to let things like this kind of cool off, but it looked pretty good to my eye. so I don't like that.
Order filled.
All right, we're at 220. That's about as much as I can give it. Wow.
Order filled.
All right. Stopped out on that one, guys. 1L so far for the day. Bulls came in pretty strong right there. And we're about to engulf this candle here. So from one engulfing candle to the next, it's all good. One L so far, 1L. I swear it's never a good idea to short NASDAQ early in the morning. Never a good idea. Never a good idea for early morning NASDAQ shorts. Alrighty, guys. That's kind of unfortunate because that looked pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that looked pretty good. Get rid of this fib, get rid of this. Didn't want to respect that level, so get rid of it. I'm gonna wait until after 10 here. I'm gonna wait until after 10, even though it does look good for a long now, though. Did we close above here in the 5-minute? Barely. Yeah, stopped out on that first one. Looked pretty good at the time too. Unfortunately. All right, let's see what news wants to do now. Let's see what news wants to do. Yeah, so 1L so far, 1L so far, 1L so far. this. Huh. That's almost worth just a switch bullish completely. Yeah, we might have an exact repeat of yesterday. But let's see what news does. In another minute or so. I think we've done everything we need to do at the downside. I may just switch bullish here. Even though I don't have too much proof. Looks like we're getting our news. How do I make this? How do I make this thinner? Am I crazy? There we go. All right, guys, I may be switching to being a bull here. Let me see. So we have got one. Yo, take tax right off. Got 1, 2, 3. We could sweep some of this. That wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. I kind of like this. I kind of like this. So we could sweep this right here. That'd be great. All right, let's see what we want to do right here then. Let me guess, you're not going to come all the way down there, are you? I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised. Man, we're stuck. We are stuck, but I need a sweep right here to get involved. I need a sweep right here to get involved. Need some sweeps, need some sweeps, need some sweeps, need some sweeps. To get involved. nonsense. Man, if we get confused one more time. Yeah, I needed to tap back into this level, but I just don't see it happening. I just don't see it happening. Might gotta wait for the next bus here, guys. We might be forced to wait for the next bus. Here's a bullish engulfing that I don't really want to play. I'm thinking we might just leave this intact, but we'll see. Yeah, it's like we may, because you can see something like this, right? What you could see is something like that. Stops very conservative and then it pushed right on up. You could very well see something like that. But I want to stick with the SBS right here. I want to see some sweeps of these levels before getting involved. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna wait for this. I just needed like a quick little punch down. Might even put some sell stops here. Or limit buys, rather. Limit by 5. Limit by 5. Let's try that. Just punch down a little bit lower for me, NASDAQ. 1, 2, 3. Will she pick me up? Not looking like it. Not looking like it, guys. Not looking like it. All right, that 5-minute candle is flipping back up. Ooh, this is hard. Andre, good morning, dude. Dealing with this little chop fest right here. Yeah, dealing with this chop fest. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing I can do about that. I ain't getting these sweeps. That's painful. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, NASDAQ. But once it broke high, I will cancel the buy. Yeah, this is... I wouldn't even want her to come back at this point. Damn. NASDAQ, why you doing that? What was killing me was that I saw why it did it. Because we had a bullish engulfing right here. It's not the biggest one, but it is a bullish engulfing. So I'm saying to myself, okay. It could just come down and flip right back up, and that's exactly what it did. So now the question is, do I get rid of the buy? The 5 minute still looks pretty good, and look at this rejection. Look at this rejection, guys. Ugh. I'm gonna keep the buy on there, guys. I'm gonna keep the buy on there. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep my limit buy up here. We're gonna see how this works. This is kind of crazy though. All right, we got a sweep right there. Got a sweep. No entry though. No entry. No entry. No entry. No entry. Let me draw a fib. Draw my fib all the way up here. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Come on down, tag me in like a good boy. Oh, I am not hot today. I am not hot today. Wait a minute, there's still a chance. There's still a chance. Still a chance here, still a chance here, still a chance here. Might get picked up here, guys. Might get picked up. Might get picked up. Or buyers can just come in with the fear of the Amazons. May just market execute. Wow. Alright. Still can't get picked up. Not so, but so, guys. Yeah, because this still looks good for it to go up. In my humble opinion. Alright. I'm gonna tell you one thing, I'm not gonna be here all day. Not gonna be here all day. I'm not gonna be here all day. So this is why I don't set limit orders. Everybody wants to clown market executions, but this is the reason why I don't do it. This is the reason why I don't do it. So I'm definitely having a day. Let me get rid of this first trade so people can actually see what's going on. Dude. Okay. That's how NASDAQ likes to play it, I guess. Nigga, I mean, bro. Bro. Yeah, this is the type of shit that just makes you just like, just close the charts and be like, yeah, you know what? Maybe tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Money Glitch, good morning. I'll let you know right now, we're gonna have a short stream today because this is rough. I've been trying to get picked up on this long for, I want to say, for the past 20 minutes. 20 minutes or so we've been marking this up, and we got literally like a couple ticks away from it, and boom. So we took one L so far. Wanted to get picked up with this and couldn't get picked up. So that's my morning. How's everybody else doing? How is everybody else doing? Gotta stop being a dick for a tick. Gotta stop being a dick for a tick. Dick for a tick. And this is why I am a market execute degen. How comes your trading practice? Sorry if you explained it. Oh yeah, no problem. So I am trading in demo because I don't have the money to activate this account right now. Pure and simple. So I'll probably activate it at the end of the week when pay comes through. But right now we're in demo, just practicing, seeing what we want to see, and bro, this is. I mean, I'm happy that I see the move correctly, but damn, twice is crazy. So. Oh, nice. At least you passed it. Oh, yeah. I just haven't activated the. I'm just waiting to activate the account. Yeah, so I can't be giving Top Step like money at will. You know what I mean? Without like securing like regular payouts. So it's just gotta wait until all the other bills are handled and taken care of. And I'm about to throw my controller at a wall. Oh, come on. Yes, they are rich enough. They are, man. If anything, they should be giving people free resets for funded accounts. I swear to God. Especially traders like me. Been with them for a while, and give me a freebie every now and again. But this one kind of hurts right here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. That one kind of hurts. That one hurts right there. That one hurts. Oh boy, Andre, did you ever get in? Yeah, Top Step has been moving really funny lately. Top Step, I don't know what they're like. You know, they got rid of all of their ground level affiliates. Like nobody's really like. I mean, people are talking about Top Step obviously because they're the top dog, but you know, the excitement for Top Step isn't there for like Tradeify or My Fund of Futures or insert favorite prop firm here, which is kind of sad because I think Top Step has the best rules. But they decided to not work with ground level influencers anymore. I don't see why, but hey, it's their company. Not mine. Nope, the price didn't tap 618. I feel you, man. Well, I guess you probably drew your fib from like all the way at the bottom. I feel you. Let me see. Did it even tap the move origin here? No. No, usually I like to do the body of the move origin, but you can also do the wicks. And it's like, shit, it can't even... you couldn't even do that. But yeah, Top Step has been moving kind of weird lately. Not gonna lie. Getting rid of all of their platforms, just promoting Project X. You know, no promotions, no groundswell, no... You know, they only have a certain type of person coming on the show now. You know, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this shit right here is kind of annoying. I'm glad I'm in demo. I wouldn't have made any money regardless, but that's crazy. That's crazy. I mean, hey, that's trading though. That's trading. That is trading. Woo! You want to talk about having the right idea with no entry. And this is why we market, well, this is why I market execute. Everybody wants to call me a degen for it, but let me not say that. People don't call me a degen for it, but dick for a tick. That oh man, that hurts. That one really hurts. Yeah, that one hurts, guys. That hurts. Banger trade. It's in demo though. It's okay. But as you can hear, I'm struggling with my emotions right now because, man, what a banger. If you are practicing today, I think you would get more from watching Dave's stream than you will practicing demo. Yeah, that's also true. I could pop up that stream and listen in, but I don't think I can listen in and stream at the same time because you will hear his stream as well. No, my favorite is from the first red since the minimum. Hello, what's the difference between move origin and UMO? It's the same thing. Yeah, thank you SBS. Yeah, one is unmitigated and one is, you know, it may be mitigated or not. They're both the same thing. They're both the same thing. And also, I just want to be here and just, you know, have my own, you know, focus on my own process. I know Dave is streaming, but you know, you can only get but so much by watching another person trade, in my opinion. Like, not to toot my own horn, I know what I'm doing. It's just everything else has to be refined. Like, you know, your emotions, how you manage a trade, you know, stuff like that. You know, marking up a trade and executing, that's not the problem. I know what I'm looking for. It's just that, you know, doing it on your own and learning how not to tilt and stuff like that. That's trading though, guys. That is trading. That's the game. This is the game we play. This is the game we play. Yeah, buddy. Someone. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So this was the ultimate goal right here. So as you can see, I have my eyes right here at this all of this trend line right here. So we may just blast right through that. I think she's gone. Yeah, I think she's gone. She is gone. Don't be a dick for a tick, guys. Don't be a dick for a tick. Sometimes you gotta demand price, but yeesh. Well, Andre, we're in the same boat, buddy. We're in the same boat. Those longs looked really good, but I guess the bright side is you saw it. You saw it. You planned to get in. The risk, everything was set. But price just decided to not hit your entry by whatever this distance is. That's all. That's it. That's all. I'd rather not look for an SBS this high, even though this could be it right here. 1, 2, 3, and if we want to come down a little bit lower. So if you want to, you could start looking at this right here. Yeah, if it comes down lower, I'll give it a shot, but we'll see. We shall see. But that's supremely annoying. ifs, ands, or buts about it. And since we're this high, then obviously the sentiment is to go higher here. But let's see if this next train wants to pick us up here. So I'm just looking at 1, 2, 3. It's not looking too bad. If we get any sweeps in this area right here, I'll consider it. Probably minimal risk since SMAs are a little bit expanded there. May not want to keep on continuing up, but we'll see. Yeah, let's see if we can get picked up with this one, guys. I'm gonna get rid of this. Well, maybe I can use it. Oh, shit. Alright. Good market, though. Not complaining about the market. Things are moving, things are moving as expected, so can't be too mad at that. Can't be too mad at that. Can't be too mad at that. Yeah, I would try this right here at 618 of this range right here. I'm gonna give that a shot. Hopefully it doesn't blast all the way down, but I think we got more upside to go here. I do think we have more upside here. Don't get caught up in the 1 minute Dre. I feel you. I feel you. The reason I want to see this up here. Like I want to see this up here. But I fully recognize that I could be longing in an area where we are extremely high. But I want to see us tap some of this right here. We haven't tapped the first high yet, so that's my reasoning for it on the higher time frame, or on the 5 minute at least. 15 minute, I don't know what the hell the 15 minute is doing. I'm gonna be honest with you. Bullish engulfing right here, but our SMAs are really lagging behind, so. They got me on that one. Yeah, they got me on that one. So let's see if we get picked up on this one. There's a little pop down. Little pop down, little rejection, little 20 test right there. Am I being too accurate once again? Kind of looks like it. Yo, y'all can have this. Y'all can have these limit orders, man. Y'all can have these limit orders. Y'all can have it. Dude. Well, 1, 2, 3. Here's your 4. You gotta love it. I'm calling the market pretty good though. Calling the market pretty well. If you would have got in right here, you would have broke even right there. Now I'm thinking that we didn't continue up. Now I'm starting to think that maybe she wants to come down a little bit. Didn't tap 618 yet though. Let's see. Let's see. Pick me up, NASDAQ. Do the thing. That's a bearish engulfing right there. Sentiment may be changing. This could pop right on down. I'm still believing in bulls right here. Still want to believe in bulls right here. So this is a really nice bearish engulfing. I'm expecting this to flip right back down, tag me in, and maybe reject at this level. 1 minute or die. 1M or die. I will say though, if you had the gumption to actually get in, this is a pretty good market. I'm liking how the candles are printing. I like how obvious things are moving right now. Things are moving in the correct flow or correct fashion. There's not too much whippiness going back and forth. So I'm a big fan of the market. I'm just not getting in. That's a bullish engulfing on the 1 minute right there. No top wick, flip back up. Yeah. You can't make this shit up. Can't make this shit up. Hold up, we might get a fill here. I got a feeling that once we get a fill, it's just gonna like smash all the way down. All right, let's see if we can get a 5 leg here. Come on, NASDAQ, I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Yes, NASDAQ, doing the thing. We are very expanded here on the SMAs. So I'm fully prepared for this one to lose, but I want to be a part of the move if buyers decide to come back up. Come on, don't do that, dude. Come on now, 618 please. 618 please. Don't make me market execute. Don't make me market
Order
execute.
filled.
Okay, we're filled, guys. We're filled. We finally got a fill. Stops at this low right here. Can we see a 1-to-1? Can I get a 1-to-1 today? May I please have some 1-to-1? Even though I think this should go all the way back up. But finally got a fill here, boys and girls. Can it fail? Yeah. Why? SMAs are expanded. We're getting some bearish sentiment right now thanks to this bearish engulfing, where we're still in that 5-minute candle right there. So is there a shot that this could lose? Absolutely. But sticking to my guns here. But we finally got a fill. Finally got a fill. $145 risk is pretty good. 5 micros is a decent size too. So I like the parameters here. I like the parameters. I like the trade. I like the trade. Might dance around in this area though. So I'm giving this one a little bit of time, a little bit of room. But if we come up to this to TP1, I'm definitely gonna break even. Don't want to add to this one because we are pretty high up in this range, and we may want to see like a 1-2, like a 1-2. There's a 1-2 right here that maybe needs to get swept, but I'm looking at this right here because we haven't really retraced any. Buyers have stepped in literally as soon as it was available. Buyers stepped in, so kind of wanting buyers to just do the same thing, step right back in. Not looking good though. see if buyers want to make one more college try here. And giving it plenty of time and plenty of space. Once again, I'll be forced to break even when we hit TP1, if we hit TP1. Because we are pretty high in this. Little rejection candle right there. Waiting for buyers to show back up. We can start getting closures above this 20 SMA in the 30 second. It'll look pretty good, but right now it's like not looking too good. All right, kind of an expected result right here. Waiting for buyers to show some type of enthusiasm. I will give it this. Buyers are trying. Buyers are really trying right now. Problem is we're a little expanded. We're a little expanded. You could start looking for reversal plays right here. I'm gonna believe in it though. Once again, I want to see these levels up here. I want to see this get tagged up here. I was having some hard times getting there. Nice little pop. Don't want to see it reject. Kind of giving this trade enough time. Sorry for the typing there, guys. Alright, I'm gonna break even right there. It's so tight. I wanna give this a little bit of room here. Let's give it a little bit of room. Like $50 or something like that. And that's what happens when you stay patient, guys. So I'm gonna break even right there. And boom. Very nice, guys.
Order filled.
Selling 4 right there. Down to 1 micro. Instant rejection. Instant rejection. And guys, if this comes back to break even, I'm gonna go about my day. Got my one. Got my one. Got my one. Got my one. In fact, I should have closed full. Now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, it might be an early stream here today, guys. Might be an early stream here. I don't want to deal with this anymore. Yeah, I don't really want to deal with this anymore, so. Pretty good day, though. Pretty good day, pretty good day, pretty good day, pretty good day. Alright. And break even right there. Cool. I'm glad we got out. I'm glad we got out. How much we make on those 5 markers? 150? That's not bad. 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 So this is more of a break-even day. Took an L during London session, and it wasn't even like a strategy that I used. So this is more closer to about $40, $40 loss, but it's up there. But yeah, it kind of sucks that we didn't get this right here. If we was down here, we would have been sitting pretty. But yeah, another jump up here. Lets me know I'm doing something right. Even not in Pepe's free Discord, or how to same SBS Sniper, same. If you're not in Pepe's live Discord, free Discord, you're kind of missing out. There's a wealth of information. Even if you don't trade DTFX, SBS, I see supply and demand. I see that garbage ICT. It's all there for you. So I would highly recommend it. I would paste the link, but I'm about to turn this off because this is I'm not frustrated with the market. It's just that this is a demo account. I took 1 L, didn't get filled on the trade of the day. I don't see a reason to really just keep on sitting here when on a normal day, if you would have got this, you would have been done. So yeah, I think I'm about to call it in a couple minutes here. Do something else. Yeah, at this point, I just want this to hit me at break even so I can turn this off. In fact, what time is it? It's 11 a.m. I don't see a reason to sit here for this. So, guys, if you like what you're listening to, if you like what happened today, thank you. Consider leaving a like, consider subscribing, consider doing all the things. But I'm done, guys. I'm done with this. Have a good rest of your day. Hope you all trade well. Do all the things. I'm gonna let this run for a couple more minutes, but that's my day for today. That's my day. One L, one trade, one banger that never got picked up, and we caught a hand-me-down trade right there. So yeah, we're good. Look at that entry though, guys. Look how this level keeps on getting respected. Crazy. So yeah, guys. See you guys in the next one.
Order filled.